Hello everybody. Today I'm going to make this video to help students and researchers to apply freely available AI tools in 2026. When I reflect back, most researchers in 2026 are still working like in 2010. They are drowning in 50 open browser tabs, fighting with broken citations, and wasting weeks looking for a unique gap that doesn't exist. Meanwhile, a small group of elite students or clever students are using specific AI workflow to build entire manuscript frameworks in an afternoon or evening for free. That's completely free. If you are still doing literature reviews manually, you aren't being thorough. You are being left behind. Therefore, today I am showing you the only four, including ChatGPT and Cloudy, that makes six AI tools that helps us to really make our work efficient and fast. As you see on my screen, there are Perplexity, Semantic Scholar, Consensus, NotebookLM, ChatGPT, and Cloudy. If we see its purpose and why it's our choice, you can see in the matrix. For example, let's say that Perplexity, it helps to provide real-time links to recent, most current literatures. Likewise, Semantic Scholar, it helps to um, do literature review, finding out gaps, and it's completely free. Likewise, for consensus, it helps to validate the resources, whether topic is debated or not, or whether there is likelihood of being another paper available in the same topic or the same content is there. Likewise, NotebookLM helps to synthesize in the PDF form, and the ChatGPT and Cloudy that helps us to openly brainstorm topics, ask outline for the manuscript of the paper. For this, let's see one by one. Let me click here. This is Perplexity. Now, when I ask, let's ask. Uh, let's give prompt what it says. Um, uh, Let me type as an advisor. Give, give me few topics to write manuscript on climate change impact in developing and feel like wow. What it gives, let's see. It gave me a lot of hymns and topic ideas. It says glacier water and hydrology, and glacier retreat, changing melt seasonality, and downstream water security, agriculture, food, and livelihood, disaster infrastructure, and urbanization. This one is not giving a proper topic because this helps to provide real-time links to the latest publications. Now let me give another prompt. Can you let's be direct. Give me papers on climate change impacts in the developing countries. Let's see what it says. Direct answer 5% high quality paper. See, it now directed towards the paper. Now, since it has given 5 most relevant papers for now, to check it, we can go and check whether those papers are available or not for free. Let's say that I'm human. Oh, it's free source. Now it gave. Let's check the topic alien, the socio-economic impact of climate change in developing countries over the next decades, a literature survey. Yeah, this is pretty much very helpful resources. Likewise, let's check another one as well. What it says. For the poorest countries, climate action is development in action. This also sounds very relevant. See, it will give those papers that are already available on the topics that we are thinking that can be really helpful while writing the paper. So, likewise, if we check Semantic Scholar, this one, its purpose is to, you know, find out literature gap. Therefore, let's click here and visit what it gives us. Now, we'll give paper prompt. Let's say gaps in uh, climate change impact studies in developing countries. Let's hit what it gives. No, it gave almost 895 results. Gaps in climate change impact studies in developing countries. It says global trends. Now you just have to go through these papers and find out gaps. And while finding out gaps, definitely we will have to look in the main crux sections of the paper. We may not be able to go through all. Mostly gaps and further recommendations are given in the conclusion section. Therefore, visiting, reading thoroughly abstract and methodology and key findings and conclusion always gives that way to find out the literature gap. Likewise, there is another free tool that's consensus. Let's click here and what it gives us. Let's see purpose. What's the purpose of this? If topic is debated for me, let me give my topic. Check topic on climate change impact in developing countries. Yes, let me add yes study from Nepal. Let's say what it gives. Searching climate change developing. Climate change impact in developing countries. Evidence from Nepal. This is already there. Or it reframed so that it will be not duplicated. This topic, it gave me reframed topic. I was writing a case study from Nepal. Now it restructured the title as evidence from Nepal. Now it has given some ideas as well, along with citation. much helpful, and here are other relevant, all the relevant papers. See how it's quick and easy to check all the papers. Likewise, there is NotebookLM where you can upload all PDF version of papers, and you can just analyze the key findings or conclusions or recommendations from different paper. What I would do is I can bring papers from this consensus. Let's try to bring it from waves as well. Impacts of climate change in developing countries like Nepal. Let's see what it will bring. It's still researching websites, but if we can download and bring it, that's much faster. They are from the open sources. It's easier and quicker. Something like, oh, now I can bring bibliography. Something is not working now. Let's check. It's already bringing from here, but these are mostly open sources, not like the academic papers. It will bring like organizations, data, public data publicly available. Therefore, you need to download papers from here or from here or Google Scholar, whatever platforms that you use, download them and put it in the upload those in the PDF form so that you can analyze in the notebook LM. Likewise, in ChatGPT, let's say, like if I want to twist my manuscript title, let's see, give me five attractive manuscript title on climate change impact in developing countries and countries world. Let's see what it gives. A lot of climate change at the age, socioeconomic and environmental impacts in developing mountain nations like Nepal, from Himalayas to households, assessing climate change vulnerability in Nepal and other developing economies. Third on warming peaks, rising risks. Wow, I like point. Climate change impacts on livelihoods, agriculture, and health in Nepal. Climate inequality in developing countries, lessons from Nepal's environmental and economic challenges. And the fifth one is fragile mountains, fragile futures, exploring climate change, adaptation, and resilience in Nepal. So these are some of the suggested topics. Likewise, you can copy this prompt and give try with the cloud as well. What it gives, let's say. Mm, mm, let's say what it gives. We can compare this to this one and this. This is from uh, this one is from and this is from ChatGPT, and this one is from Cloudy. On the edge of the storm, climate vulnerability, livelihood erosion, and adaptive capacity in Himalayan communities. Not so different, but the terminologies and wordings are put in different ways. It seems it depends upon which you like. And based on this, we can ask for the outline. Now, let me check with this. Let's say that give me outline in Embrad structure to start writing. Mm. Now it along with the topic suggested manuscript title warming peaks rising risk climate change impacts on livelihood agriculture and health in Nepal. Now it says introduction and it is giving outline in bullet forms global overview of climate change, why developing countries are more vulnerable, geographic and socioeconomic vulnerability of Nepal, importance of Himalayan and the mountain ecosystem, and problem statement. So, pretty much in a structure that forms complete manuscripts. Hope this is a good try. However, at the end, I would like to encourage all based on my own learning as well. We can't completely depend on the AI tools that it gives us. We need to be in the loop. We need to have control over it because we are human. We can go through, check the citation, find out the literature, be confirmed about what it says and what you find in the reading. Then only our work becomes ethical and we are not controlled by AI, rather, we are controlling AI. Hope that is helpful for now. For now, let me keep it here. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to wider audiences as well. Thank you.